Hi, I am Ravi, Department of ECE. Today we are discussing about case study on principles of management, Indian business in globalization in software. Index, definition of globalization, process of globalization, factors, impact of globalization, negative effect of globalization. Globalization. Globalization implies the opening of local and nationalistic perspectives to a broader outlook of an interconnected and interdependent world with free transfer of capital, goods, and services across national frontiers. However, it does not include unhindered movement of labor, and as suggested by some economics, may hurt similar or fragile economics if applied indiscriminately. Introduction. For the purpose of analyzing the impact of globalization on Indian industries, there is a need for knowledge, the meaning, the methods of globalization, and the different policy changes that have taken places in the areas like policy of the government towards foreign capital, the trends in terms of number of approvals as well as actual inflows, the different methods through which the foreign capital is allowed to India, the different types of collaboration agreements like technical collaboration and financial collaboration which have become necessary. In this part attempts to review the literature under these categories. This is increased reliance on the market economy, renewed faith in the private capital and resources, a process of structural adjustment suppressed by the studies and influences of the World Bank and other international organizations. Globalization has brought in new opportunities to developing countries. Example, assume that you are a mango farmer and you grow very good quality mangoes. Obviously, your fruit is highly appreciated in India, but you also know that you shall get a better value in US. So the network of communication and execution that allows you to sell your fruit in US is basically the phenomenon of globalization. The process of globalization includes opening up of world trade, internalization of financial markets, population migrations, more generally increased mobility of persons, goods, capital, data and ideas. Factors that have enabled globalization: rapid improvement in technology, liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment policy. Impact on Indian industry. India opened up the economy in the early 90s following a major crisis that led by a foreign exchange crunch that dragged the economy close the defaulting on loans. The response was a number of domestic and external sector policy measures, partly promoted by the immediate needs and partly by the demand of the multilateral organizations. Impact of globalization on the Indian industry. MNCs have increased their investments in India over the past 15 years. Large number of multinationals have moved to India post globalization. Be average fast foods, coffee, sportswear, and apparel and garments. Some larger Indian companies have emerged as multinational themselves. Creation of new opportunities for companies providing service, particularly those involving IT. Reduction in the level of unemployment and poverty in the country. Effects of globalization on Indian industry started when the government opened the country's markets to foreign investments in the early 1990s. Globalization of the Indian industry took place in its various sectors such as steel, pharmaceutical, petroleum, chemical, textile, cement, retail and BPO. The various beneficial effects of globalization in Indian industry are that it brought in hug amounts of foreign investments into the industry, especially in the BPO. The benefits of the effects of globalization in the Indian industry are that many foreign companies set up industries in India, especially in the paramedical, BPO, petroleum manufacturing and chemical sectors, and this helped to provide employment to many people in the country. Negative effects of globalization. Agriculture on the back burner, disparity between rural and urban India, unemployment, ILO report, growth of slum capitals, threat of terrorism. The various negative effects of globalization on Indian industry are that it increased competition in the Indian market between the foreign companies and domestic companies. The negative effect of globalization on Indian industry are that with the coming of technology, the number of labor required decreased and they result in many people being removed from their jobs. Thank you.